Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the mesh areas that actually need decimation. Enter edit mode and clean duplicates with merge by distance, because overlapping verts create unnecessary triangles. Then use selection tools to highlight dense regions, select similar by face area or by geometry, and hide everything else. This keeps operations local and fast. Once done, apply a quick edge split or mark sharp paths where silhouette or UV seams require detail, so later reduction won't ruin visible creases. Now perform the actual reduction using a controlled, non-destructive pipeline. Add a decimate modifier in collapse mode and set a conservative ratio, say 0.5, to see visual impact. Apply only after confirming. Make sure Preserve UVs is on and use a vertex group to protect critical areas like eyes or edges. If topology is chaotic, consider voxel remesh to reset topology at a target voxel size. Then reproject fine details with shrink wrap or multires to finish by applying modifiers once you're satisfied, and then perform cleanup steps to prevent shading issues. Recalculate normals outside, Ctrl+N, and remove non-manifold faces. Use Auto Smooth with an angle around 30 degrees and add tiny supporting loops where silhouettes need hardness. If you see texture stretching or lost detail, reproject from the original high-res mesh or roll back and reduce less aggressively. A key troubleshooting tip: keep a saved backup before each major decimation step so you can restore and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.